This is what I did with my leave program. I looked at this Scratch program and I decided to rewrite it in Python, as Scratch is basically Python. If I didn't say yes or no, it thought I was saying no. It is made of 6 if commands. Here is my Python code. I will show you things about it. At line 9, I cleared the screen. From line 14, I asked the questions and showed the answers by using if commands. I made an error message for if you typed something wrong. Let's run the program. Now let's see what you put if you put something wrong. Next, I worked it in C to run on a D1 Mini. My dad helped with the circuit. This is my program. I'm going to show you some things. In the first line, I have included extra commands to control the screen. These all start with the word display. Here I have set up some variables to store the pins that I have connected the button to. This line tells it what pins the screen is connected to. Here I set up the screen and cleared it. This line set the pins I am using for the buttons, using these variables I have set up. Let's now look at some of my functions and the button of my code. Functions are like mini programs. Is my no or yes and no function. It waits for a button to be pressed and tells the main program what has been pressed. This will show a question on the screen and point the yes and no button. This will display the answers and wait for a button to be pressed. Now let's go to the main program. The first part of the program shows a welcome message and waits for the button to be pressed. Here I asked the first question, then I get the answer and used a if command to decide what to do next. I used the else part of the if command for no. Then I showed the answers and wait for a button to be pressed before running again. I'm going to build the circuit with my dad. Now I am uploading the program. This is me testing the program. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you like it.